Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing, exploring, and explaining Aquarius, the DeFi of Stellar. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the chart of Aqua at the time of the recording, guys. By the way, before we get into what Aqua is and website and all of that stuff, I'll first and foremost talk about the tokenomics. There's another, I tried to find the tokenomics that how many tokens are there and the release schedule, because I really, the first thing that any investor looks into are the token allocations, the cap on how many coins are out there and all of that stuff. So we're going to be heading out and checking that out. So basically, the market cap of Aqua, according to CMC, is $26.43 million at the moment. The price is $0.001468. It is down 1.71% for the day. According to CoinMarketCap, the max supply is 100 billion, out of which 19.45 billion is in circulation, which makes up for 19.45%. Which makes the fully diluted market cap to $146.82 million. Anyways, guys, let us look at the all-time chart as well. So from its all-time high, it is down 70.57%. But guys, it has basically rallied recently. If you look at the 7-day, monthly, and yearly chart, it has rallied massively. It is up 56.80% in 7 days. It is up 127.63% in a month. And if you look at the yearly, guys, 130%, it has basically broken through this key resistance line over here, and it has gone up. So yeah, killed a zero in the process. But if you look at the grander scheme of things, guys, this is a crucial resistance line over here. From here on out, if it goes on towards the 0.0025 mark, from then on forward, it can go on to test its all-time highs as well, because a lot of people are now catching up to the Stellar ecosystem. The SHX whales have basically invested in Aqua as well, as well as other Stellar ecosystem projects. So this happens a lot when a certain project from a certain ecosystem booms. The money is trickled down into other projects as well, guys. So projects like Aqua, VELO, Ephraim. So these are the projects that people are now talking about. So yeah, why is there never news about this project? That would help keep consistency in price action. So Ravan is coming, Aqua will melt faces, next big crypto. Anyways, guys, I wanted to share this with you first, and then we can move forward and look into the website. So these are the Aquanomics. I first and foremost. Any project which we invest in, we have to look into their tokenomics, the token allocations as well. So learn more about Aqua, the token that powers Aquarius. So let us check this out, what Aqua token is all about. So this is a utility token, guys. It is going to be utilized. The Aqua token is at the center of Aquarius, and to date has over 179,000 trust lines enabled, with thousands of people participating across our community channels. So the core aim, guys, of Aquarius is to incentivize the market makers and liquidity providers towards the Stellar ecosystem, the Stellar blockchain, for specific market players. But basically, it is working as an automated market maker for Stellar, basically. So yeah, this is achieved by distributing Aqua tokens every hour to those contributing liquidity on specific markets found at aqua.network rewards. So basically, whoever provides liquidity is rewarded with Aqua tokens. Liquidity providers can simplify deposit funds into AMMs to provide liquidity. whereas market makers help keep order books with individual orders. Anyone can be a liquidity provider or a market maker from financial organizations. So this is great, guys. In the world of Stellar, users have two ways to buy and sell assets. One is to make a limit order that will cross over an existing order on an order book, and the second is to make a swap path payment. These techniques require the Stellar network to match orders in order books or AMMs, therefore taking liquidity from markets. So clearly, the Stellar network as a whole would benefit from having more market makers and more liquidity in the order books. Obviously, guys, more liquidity is better. This is great. Aqua is basically providing that liquidity for the Stellar network. Aquarius allows the community of, furthermore, one more use case, guys, voting. So the Aquarius allows the community of Aqua holders to signal where liquidity is needed through a voting process. This introduces an additional liquidity management layer for the whole Stellar network. So giving power to the community. This is awesome. So yeah, Aqua in Stellar apps, Aqua token holders can also be entitled to additional benefits across other Stellar ecosystem projects. For example, Ultra Stellar introduced a cashback system into their Lobster and Stellar X apps, where those who hold certain amounts of Aqua get cashback. So basically, there is a use case for Aqua token. It will be utilized. It is a utility token for the Aquarius ecosystem, the Stellar ecosystem as a whole. Now that Soroban is live, guys, it further increases the use case for Aqua as well, being the liquidity provider. So this is what I'm interested in. The Aqua allocation, 100 billion Aqua tokens have been issued on the Stellar network. So guys, this is the hard limit on the total supply. There will be no more coins than 100 billion. And like SHX, the max cap is 100 billion. There would be no more coins than 100 billion. And like we saw over here, 19.45 billion is in circulation at the moment. So what about the rest of them? Let us now check that out. So the initial allocation is as follows: 50% dedicated to SDEX traders and AMM liquidity providers in the form of rewards. So 50% would be in the form of rewards to the traders and AMM liquidity providers. So we're set here because this incentivizes liquidity providers and market makers to join this ecosystem because they will be rewarded. So that basically it is it for the 50%. The 20% set for airdrops, all unclaimed Aqua will be allocated to the community DAO fund. Cool. 10% offered to institutional investors. Now, guys, this is a key word over here. 10% will be allocated to the institutional investors with a 3-year vesting. Cool. So institutional players will be involved, and they will be involved in the Stellar ecosystem. We all know that. 10% granted to Aquarius team members and future employees with a 3-year vesting. Cool. Now, 3-year vesting period is, I think it's good. It gives us time as the price appreciates, and slow selling won't hurt the price as much, in my opinion, but obviously anything can happen. 5% allocated to voting and staking rewards. So, okay, so voting and staking rewards 5%, 2.5% granted to advisors and partners, both with 3-year vesting. So, all of them, guys, institutional investors, Aquarius team members, and future employees, 3-year vesting, and as well as advisors and partners as well. They've got 3 years vesting as well. 2.5% reserved for an emergency fund. So, okay, so 2.5% reserved for an emergency fund if anything bad happens. So yeah, for that. And this is basically an article from July 22, 2021, and we are now heading towards 2024. So 3-year vesting period is coming to an end. So that is good. A lot of coins will be in circulation, and the rest of the 50% will be rewarded to the traders, market makers, liquidity providers. Awesome. Check this out. Aqua token allocation, 2.5% emergency fund, 2.5% advisors and partners, 50% rewards for liquidity providers. Cool. 5% voting and staking rewards, 10% investors, 10% team, 20% airdrop, and community DAO. So that is cool, guys. We get the allocation. Now let us move on ahead and look at their website. This is their website, aqua.network. New horizons. Aquarius adds liquidity management layer to Stellar and powers new generation of DeFi projects, guys. So this is good. I think a lot of new projects are going to be launched here as well. This is my take on it, but let's see. What is Aquarius? Aquarius is designed to supercharge trading on Stellar, bring more liquidity, and give control over how it is distributed across various market pairs. It adds incentives for SDEX trader, like I told you guys, that there will be incentivized to get those rewards, and liquidity providers as well, rewards for AMM liquidity providers. Aquarius allows community to set rewards for selected markets through on-chain voting. What is Aqua token, guys? Aqua is the currency for rewards and on-chain voting on Aquarius. Aqua holders can vote for market pairs that need more liquidity and selected trusted assets. Traders and LPs earn Aqua. Cool. Incentives for liquidity providers. Governance for token holders. Ecosystem benefits. So Aqua tokens will be integrated to other projects built on Stellar and may provide holders with additional benefits within the Stellar ecosystem. So, guys, we can see that the Stellar ecosystem is now getting much more integrated. A lot of more interrelated use cases as well. Aqua tokens will also be integrated in other projects built on Stellar as well. So this is great. There is also an aspect of ICE tokens, guys. So what is ICE tokens? You have to freeze your Aqua to ICE tokens securely on the Stellar network with our Aqua Locker tool. ICE tokens bring a new dimension to Aquarius, creating a way for Aqua holders to increase rewards. So ICE tokens are there to increase your rewards that you earn from SDEX market making and AMM liquidity provision, and boost voting flexibility and power, guys. The roadmap: Q3 2023, Soroban and Aquarius using funding via the Stellar Community Fund. We are building new systems for Aquarius using Soroban smart contracts. Now that Soroban is live, guys, it's going to further increase the use case of Aqua as well. This is great. Let us now look at the rewards over here. Today, daily rewards. The core use case of Aquarius is to increase liquidity on Stellar. So, guys, check this out: 7 million total daily rewards. This is great. SDEX daily rewards, AMM daily rewards. So, like liquidity providers and traders, all getting rewarded. These are the market rewards, guys. So, these are the pairs: FIDR, USDC, URC, GBPC. Check, you get the idea. XLM, XL, XTZ, Aqua, USDC. USDC is also a renowned stablecoin, guys. And check this out: the XLM Aqua pair. This is great, guys, in my opinion. A lot of thing happening, and a venue for passive income as well, guys. Aqua is becoming the venue for passive income. How can I get involved with Aqua rewards? An Aqua trust line needs to be added to the user's Stellar wallet. Trust lines allow a user to receive and hold specific Stellar assets within their wallets. Once a user has Stellar wallet and an Aqua trust line enabled, they can start earning rewards through SDEX market making or AMM liquidity provider. So anyone can become a liquidity provider, a market maker, and check this out. A lot of people are now involved in Aqua as well. You guys can see from price action as well. A lot of new whales have emerged in Aqua. So yeah, this is their X handle, guys. Check this out: Aquarius. Aqua adds a liquidity management layer to Stellar and powers a new generation of DeFi projects. 20k followers. This is great. Prepare for a DeFi adventure like never before. Aquarius is redefining decentralized finance on the Stellar network. Like I told you guys, DeFi hub for Stellar. Protocol 20 is now live on Stellar.org. We discussed this as well. Aquarius AMMs, fully powered by Stellar's new smart contract era, are nearly here. Are you ready for it? You guys can check out our video as well on Stellar's smart contracts, which we made recently. So yeah, guys, the Stellar ecosystem is growing as we are talking. A lot of stuff happening. Let's check this out. Community members are talking about Aqua, SHX, VELO. I understand a lot of people have rotated profits of SHX into Aqua. Shout out to Mr. Cryptocurrent, Crypto Rick. But those who did that are no longer whales of SHX, they are now whales of Aqua. More and more SHX whales are being rinsed clean of their millions. My portfolio on Stellar, XLM ecosystem, SHX, Aqua, VELO, Ephraim. The only one that I plan to keep increasing my back size is SHX for now. I'll check up in 6 months. So a lot of people are now interested in the XLM ecosystem overall. The question is SHX versus Aqua. Which one will reach dollar first? Holding a giant bag of Aqua, but no SHX will get you wrecked if SHX climbs to $1 first. Ideally, some would argue it's best to hold both. Sure, you have less overall tokens of Aqua, but you hedge yourself for speed. I'll get back to this as well. Let me like it. I may make a video on who'll reach $1 first, SHX or Aqua. What do you guys think? Do it in the comment box below and let the community know. So guys, like you see, Aqua, this is my friend, Red Pill Professional over here. He also made a video on Aqua. Check this out. Aqua, Aquarius solving the liquidity crisis. Let us like this. So yeah, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.